G'day guys, just a quick video about the spark plugs in these Mazdas. I think I made one a few weeks ago. This is the recurring theme, but like on this car I had a lot of trouble getting not that broken one out, but two of the others. A lot of trouble. And now that I put number one in, it went like not bad but not great. It was tight the whole way down, and there's only so much we can do with service. Okay, these spark plugs are embedded right down, and I can see now that there are major issues here with spark plugs. Even though these are the factory plugs, I cannot imagine what would happen if you get a bad one where someone's fucking cross-threaded it and then put the car on the market for sale. So yeah, beware of the plugs. Hold the tool down straight, use good tools, or you will crack the plugs, because the nature of being able to have this movement by not having the proper bore. Okay, so the tool can move, but clearly with the long threads there are issues with the installation from Japan with the FOMOCO plugs, Ford Motor Company plugs. And you know, I put something on Facebook last year about Mazda 3s, and my friends started going mental, half of them, because they all bloody drive them. Oh, we've never had a problem, la la la. But you know what I mean, like these cars, like, yeah, they've got problems, oxygen sensors non-stop, you know, and it is a Ford. I mean, it's a Ford. It really is a Ford. So beware of the plugs. And this is like, now, this is it. This is a major thing. I've seen enough of it to know that there are cylinder heads being destroyed and all sorts of shit going on with these, which is a relatively unassuming car. So beware when buying them privately now. I would suggest to have the spark plugs removed, especially if there's been various workshops working on the car. You're better off if the plugs were never changed in that case, and even then there are still issues. So not the best video, not feeling great today, but yeah, just thought I'd do a quick one on that. So you get the random misfire codes and coil packs going from cracked plugs, and then you've got cylinder head damage, thread damage. Very difficult to remove. Again, these plugs, and they're factory, no one's done them. Alright, from this break I can see that it happened here, even though I was holding the thing down. But the last one I got, the plug was cracked on arrival. So this car's actually getting an oxygen sensor. He never had a misfire. He said that it's occasionally running rough, but from the crack here I can see that it happened today, even though I was dead square on the tools. So there are major issues with these cars. I can imagine at Mazda that they see it more often, but I'm seeing enough of it here to tell you guys there's a problem. Hope that helps. Bye.